Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix queued emails not sending in Gmail, the Gmail app. So let's get started. Now we know it can be frustrating when this happens, when our emails get stuck in the outbox with a queued status on our Gmail app. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this issue in 2025. First thing you must do is check your internet connection. So that is very necessary. After that, you restart your device, because a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches that might prevent the Gmail app from sending emails. Third step is to check Gmail app settings to ensure that the sync is enabled. Once you're done checking, by following these steps, you can see the steps right here. Follow the steps. Once you're through, you go to number 4, which is to clear Gmail app cache and data. Now, it helps to resolve issues caused by temporary files, and clearing data resets the app to its default state. You might need to log in again. So once you want to know how to do that, follow these steps here. They're written here for you. Now, the 5th step you can take is to update your Gmail app. Yes, a latest version of Gmail app can sometimes lead to bugs and issues. So ensure you have the latest version by installing them from Google App Store or from your iOS. Depends on you, on the device you're using. Next step is to check your Gmail storage. Because you see, if your Google account storage that is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos is full, you might not be able to send emails. So you check your Gmail storage. You want to know how to check it? Follow the steps here, all the way here. Now, the next thing to do is to check attachment size. Now, ensure that your email attachments are within the size limit, typically 25 megabytes for Gmail, because larger attachments can sometimes cause sending issues and get stuck in the queue. So try sending the email without the attachment or reduce the file size and see what happens. Now, the next step you can take, if that doesn't work, is to disable offline mode if it is enabled. So emails composed while offline will be stored in Outbox until connection is restored. So make sure offline mode is disabled if you are now online and want to send immediately. You want to know how to do that? Follow the steps here, all the way here. Now, the next thing you can do, which is the next step we're going to take, is to remove and re-add your Gmail account if other 8 steps don't work. Remove and re-add your Gmail account. It can help you resolve synchronization issue. This is how to do it. And then step 10, check date and time settings, because incorrect date and time settings on your device can sometimes interfere with your Gmail app's ability to connect to servers. So make sure they are set correctly, preferably to automatic. That's how you do it. Now, the 11th step you can take is to check for Gmail service outages. Although this is rare, there might be a temporary outage with Gmail service, so you can check the Google Workspace status dashboard in a web browser to see if there are any reported issues with Gmail. Now, if the problem persists after trying all the steps, try sending the email from a different device or Gmail web interface. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your Gmail app on that particular device. Then check for conflicting apps, because some third-party apps might interfere with Gmail's functionality. Consider if you've recently installed any new apps and try temporarily uninstalling them to see if it resolves the issue. If that does not work, contact Google Support. It's as simple as that. You can reach out to Google Support channels for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue of queued emails not sent on your Gmail app in 2025. Remember to check your internet connection first, as it is the most common culprit. Thanks for watching.